Hey everybody, today we have Cars 3. We got Lightning McQueen is Chester Mudflapper. Oh, Whipple Flitter. Chester Whipple Flitter. Anyway, it was on clearance at Tuesday morning. They have Airborne, Liability, Jamala Makala, Bill, and Superfly. This is part of the Demo Derby series. So, without further ado, let's rip it open and check it out. Pretty cool car. Number 15, Lightning McQueen is Chester Whipple Filter. It's a decent car. I like it. He's got mud all on him, covering up his identity. Plus, it comes with two fire barrels. Barrels of fire. These barrels on fire. These barrels on fire. Lightning McQueen is Chester Whipple Filter. That's kind of cool. Comment down below if you like cars and your favorite cars and stuff like that. Oops. And what do you think about this cars? And God is good all the times. All the times God is good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I just realized I was holding these up with the middle finger when I did that a while ago. Oops, my bad. I did not mean to flip you off. Sorry. These barrels on fire. These barrels on fire. Have a great day. Later.